Hello, educators! Welcome to this quick video demonstrating the Students page on typing.com. This is where you can easily manage and view all of your students across all your classes in one place. Start by navigating to the Students page. Here, you'll see a complete list of every student in your account. By default, students are shown in alphabetical order sorted by their last name. You can click on Student or Last Login to adjust the order in which the students appear. Now let's talk about filtering. Let's say you only want to see students from a specific class. Click the Filter button and then Class from the drop-down menu. Now you can choose which class to view. You'll see that the student list updates to only include students from the selected class. You can also filter by the last login. Click the Last Login option. You'll be presented with default options. Alternatively, you can customize your own date range. Now, if you need to adjust settings for a specific student, just find the student on the list and click the blue Edit button. This brings you to their individual student settings, where you can change details like their name, password, curriculum, and more. The Students page gives you a powerful, centralized way to manage and view your students. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.